In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your ClickUp account permanently. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand that once you delete your account, all your data, workspaces, and tasks will be lost forever. So make sure you've backed up anything important before proceeding. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open ClickUp on your browser. You can do this by going to clickup.com and logging into your account. Make sure you're using a desktop browser for this process, as the deletion option isn't available on mobile apps. Once you're logged into ClickUp, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on your profile to open the menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your ClickUp account. Now scroll down through the settings page. You're looking for the delete account option. Keep scrolling until you find it, usually located toward the bottom of the settings menu. This placement is intentional, as account deletion is a serious and permanent action. When you find the delete account option, click on it. ClickUp will now prompt you to confirm this action. To proceed, you'll need to type your password. This is a security measure to ensure that only the account owner can delete the account and to prevent accidental deletions. Type your password carefully into the confirmation field. Once you've entered your password, confirm the deletion. ClickUp will process your request and your account will be permanently deleted. Remember, this action cannot be undone, and all your data will be removed from ClickUp servers, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your ClickUp account. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials like this one.